Well, good morning. We are at Gifford Rosman Zoological Park here in Syracuse, New York. Yep, we've made it up to upstate New York. We were on our way to Coyote Moon Vineyard, which is where we're going to be tonight. But we looked on the map and we saw there was a zoo and we thought, hey, let's give it a shot. Well, come to find out, they've got some new baby elephants and they're going to be out and about in about 30 minutes. So kind of excited. And because we are members of the Cincinnati Zoo, we have a reciprocal membership, and the two of us, it only costs $5 to get in. Awesome! Looks like a lovely little park. We're going to spend a couple hours here and check out what they have. Let's go see.
And then it moved.
Not a rock.
Not a rock. But by then you walked away and I couldn't say, oh, I was right. Well, I can, but...
Hi. Oh, you're pretty. Look at you.
Red panda.
What is it?
Oh, it's a panda
A
bear.
red panda?
Looks like a raccoon.
That's what it was. It was a kind of
Oh my goodness, you got too much. I had to pull some out.
Go up there and rub their head.
Yeah, yeah. Looks like they got a lot of static in it.
the top of their head.
Okay, that's 10 minutes. They'll be out for another 20. They'll ship to Indiana.
We'll get both.
New York.
New York.
She got a thing right here.
She's got one there, but that one's not running right now.
So what I'm hearing is yes.
Well, I mean, I grabbed the card and...
Yeah, no. I meant if you're going to ring it up here, I'll come here. If you were going to ring it up.
But wait a minute.
What? Oh, God.
Wait a minute. And where do they get their barrels from? Of course I would ask something like that.
I do know, like, they do like some like bourbon barrels. Most of the time, those are like Woodford Reserve. There's a few Jack Daniels.
Marquette?
Yeah, well, there's like the Marquette. This would be like the Newport.
New, it says 2020.
There's 2020, 2021, and 22 should be over here.
Okay.
You didn't have port on the list.
I don't know if we have a bottle open, but if there is, I can definitely.
Well, good morning, everyone. Weren't those baby elephants just so cute? Oh my heavens, we love that so much. And it was a lovely little zoo for being a zoo in the middle of a city. Last night, Coyote Moon, great vineyard. We were the only ones there, had a lovely sampling of their wines, even took a little bit of a tour of their facilities. Things up here in upstate New York really don't get going until it seems like maybe mid-June. So it's kind of quiet. We were the only campers there. And this morning we are a couple miles down the road in Alexandria Bay, New York, taking care of some laundry. You know, you still have to do that when you're on the road. You can only take so much in the van. And then we're heading across the border to Canada. Thank you again for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post videos. And please leave comments if you have anything to say about the area that we're in, any questions that you want us to try to answer. We'll be glad to do that. Thank you again. Bye-bye.